Well, my name is Harinanda, and here I'm gonna give a short explanation of my project with title Genome Mining and Characterization of a Biosynthetic Cluster for UV Screening Compound in Golyocapsa sp-BRAZ. You know, I believe that all of us are ever going out, such as for vacation, holiday, or just going to office or school, or just hanging out with your friend or family. And you know, these activities can make us to be exposed to the UV, both of UVA or UVB. And you know, along the time, day by day, week by week, month by month, and year by year, it can lead to the sun damage, such as wrinkles, or hyperpigmentation, or drop or dry skin textures. So we need a solution for this one. Why is that? Yeah, UV screening compound. Why we need a UV screening compound? Because this compound can protect our skin from the sun damage, what I said before. One of the best candidates is mycosporin-like amino acid, or MAA, that can be produced by several microorganisms such as fungi, microalgae, or bacteria, specifically cyanobacteria. Why this is so special? This compound is special because this compound has a strong UV association activity and is colorless or soluble. And because of that, this compound is so special, it can be applied to the sunscreen product. But still, there are some unclear answers for its production, such as the optimal condition and also the enzymes that are involved in its production. So here we are working with one of the cyanobacteria, which is Golyocapsa sp-BRAZ, which is thermophilic cyanobacteria. You know, thermophilic cyanobacteria is the cyanobacteria that can survive under high temperature. We will do experiments to know its optimal condition for MAA production, either a UV stress, temperature stress, and also salt stress. And also we want to know the enzymes that involved in its production, to know its characterization. So we expect that we can know the optimal condition for its production and also characterization of the enzymes that are involved in the production of MAA in Golyocapsa sp-BRAZ. So that's all about my project. Thank you.